How to hide online on WhatsApp. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel app guide. So in today's video I will simply guide you on how you can hide the online status on WhatsApp, so just make sure to watch the video till the end. So in order to hide the online status of your WhatsApp account, it's actually very simple. All you have to do is just go ahead and launch the WhatsApp application. Once you launch the WhatsApp app, you have to just tap on the three dot icon from the top right, then go to the option called settings, and once you go to settings, here you want to go to privacy, and then at the very top you'll find the option that says last seen and online, right? So over here just select it. Now first of all, you have who can see my last seen. You have to set this to nobody. When you set who can see my last seen to nobody, you can see who can see when I'm online, right? You have to set this to same as last seen. Because the last seen status is set to nobody, who can see when I'm online will be set to same as last seen, and as a result it will be set to nobody itself, because the online status can be set to either everyone or either same as last seen. So you have to make sure that the last seen status is set to nobody, and once you've done that, you'd have successfully hit your last seen status or your online status on WhatsApp. That's all it takes to hide online on WhatsApp. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.